How to enable or disable Web Inspector in Safari on iPhone X. And okay guys, in your mobile phone, go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and go to Safari. In Safari, scroll down again. And below, you can see the Advanced. Okay, you can tap the Advanced. And now here in Advanced, you can see the Web Inspector. And the Web Inspector is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on switch button on the right side. To use the Web Inspector, connect to Safari on your computer using a cable and access your iPhone from the Develop menu. You can enable the Develop menu and the Advanced section of Safari settings on your computer. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled Web Inspector in Safari on iPhone X.